In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a profile from Klaviyo. Whether you're tidying up your contact lists or ensuring data privacy, knowing how to efficiently remove a contact profile is a valuable skill for managing your Klaviyo account. This process is simple and can be accomplished in just a few quick steps. So let's dive right in and see how you can do this effortlessly. First, you'll need to log into your Klaviyo account. Head over to Klaviyo's website and enter your login credentials. Once you're in, you'll be directed to your dashboard, which serves as the central hub for all your marketing activities in Klaviyo. The interface is intuitive and user-friendly, designed to make navigation easy, even for those who might be less tech-savvy. Next, direct your attention to the left-hand menu. Here you will find various options like campaigns, flows, and most importantly for us today, audience. Go ahead and click on audience. From there, a drop-down will appear and you should select profiles. This section houses all the contact profiles currently stored within your Klaviyo account. Now it's time to locate the specific profile you want to delete. This is where the search bar comes in handy. You can find it at the top of the profiles page. Simply type in the name, email, or any other identifier of the profile you're looking for and hit enter. In no time, Klaviyo will scour its database and pull up the exact profile you need. Once you've located the profile, click on the name to open it. This action will take you to a detailed view of the profile where you can see all the associated information about your contact. It's always a good idea to quickly review the details to ensure that you're about to delete the correct profile, as this action is irreversible. In the top right corner, you'll notice a drop-down labelled Profile Actions. Click on this drop-down to reveal additional options related to the profile. Among these options, you'll find Delete Profile. Select this to prepare for the final step in the process. A confirmation message will appear, prompting you to confirm your decision. Klaviyo uses this step to ensure that no accidental deletions occur, which is crucial for maintaining the integrity of your contact lists. If you're certain about removing the profile, go ahead and click Delete. This action will permanently remove the profile from your Klaviyo account. And there you have it, a quick yet comprehensive guide to deleting a profile in Klaviyo. By following these steps, you'll be able to manage your contact lists effectively, keeping them up to date and relevant. Thanks for watching, and be sure to reach out if you have any more questions about Klaviyo or marketing tools in general.